There's a reason why most Etsy print-on-demand sellers are actually broke. They're researching what looks popular, not what actually leaves profit. They'll find a niche, make the obvious product, throw it on a t-shirt, maybe a mug, a tote bag, and then every sale feels tiny. That's where the trap is. That's what we're going to fix today. What's up, guys? Dave here. Check the description for helpful links. Let's jump into it. We're using the Etsy app ChatGPT connection. If you don't know how to use that, you have to just add it in the app section of ChatGPT. Then you can start prompting Etsy within ChatGPT, and we can do a lot of research with it. And as you've seen in the last couple of videos, I've been doing a lot of niche research. And in my previous video, I did some profit research. So today we're going to combine the two, the best of both worlds, and find not only trending niches, but profitable trending niches. Now, we're only going to find 3 today, and you can take these prompts and do whatever you want with them because there are a lot of other profitable trending niches for each year that you can get into. So let's jump into it. Etsy, I am researching Etsy print-on-demand niches for 2026. Find me 3 niches that appear to be growing, trending, or getting strong buyer attention on Etsy this year. You can expand that to 10 niches if you want to. It'll just take a long time. Make sure you always have it on high intelligence. The niches must fit these rules. They must be realistic for a normal print-on-demand seller to enter. They cannot require handmade inventory, manufacturing, etc., etc. We're doing print-on-demand. They have clear buyer intent, give potential personalization, potential or emotional value. For each niche, give me the niche name, why it appears to be getting attention, and the main buyer, the emotional reason, all of this. Let's look at the results. The first niche it pulls out is personalized pet memorial and pet portrait keepsakes. I'm going to skip that one for this video because it may be trending on new products or something like that, but it's always been around. I'm going to skip that one today. Custom wedding venue illustration and guest book alternative signs. This one is promising. I have seen plenty of stores do amazing with custom wedding book guest check-in things, books, specifically the guest books. Now, in this niche, we have other types of things, alternatives. So this niche includes alternative signs that people sign. So that's really interesting. The next one is nursery name and birth stats decor. So you take the stats of your baby, its birth stats, its birth year, all that kind of stuff, and it can be personalized in all these different ways. Birth flower, nursery colors, all this different custom nursery decor. Even ChatGPT sees the strongest to weakest ranking here is the custom wedding stuff, and then pet memorial, then the nursery name. But we're skipping pet memorial stuff. That stuff's been around forever. Now I'm telling it, now take the 3 Etsy print-on-demand niches that we found and do profit research. This is the biggest thing. That first niche, that first prompt, you can do a million different ways. And you've seen me do it in different videos, and you can even download the prompt library in the description below and get all the prompts I've used in videos and a lot more to do a ton of different niche research. This is where it really gets interesting though, because we want to do profit research. We don't want to have to work our tails off to get $5 profit per sale. We want high ticket profitable listings. So we're going to weed out all of the stuff that is going to have us working more than a full-time job just to make $1,000 a month. So I do not want basic low profit products like standard t-shirts, mugs, stickers, tote bags, or basic posters unless they are only used as comparison points. Find me 2 to 4 higher ticket print-on-demand products from Printify or Printful. We're anchoring it in real catalog pricing here. That could work for these niches and likely produce a bigger profit per sale than t-shirts and all that stuff. Focus on products that support a higher retail price. For each product, give me product type, the niche it fits best, why buyers would pay for it, etc., etc. Let's see what it spit out. Yes, for these 3 niches, I would not build a profit play around shirts, mugs, stickers, totes, or basic posters. And obviously, those 3 niches it laid out were not even in t-shirts and stuff anyway. So the 3 trending niches it found were not necessarily selling t-shirts, mugs, or stickers. They were selling completely different things, alternative wedding guest book signs, and other type stuff. Number 1 here in this profit table that I had it make, custom woven blanket. You've seen that in a previous video, and that is getting overplayed, oversaturated. Not oversaturated, but it's saturated at this point. Woven blanket has been around for a minute. It's nothing new under the sun, but it's still a better play than your t-shirts. If you're going into print on demand or you want to start a second store, t-shirts is not going to be the first choice that I would recommend ever. Large canvas wrap / guest book canvas. This is really interesting. Wedding venue, pet memorial, nursery. There's customization involved, and it's the best wedding profit play according to ChatGPT. The realistic Etsy price range is $60 to $130. Framed canvas or framed print, we're going to skip that one for sure. Sherpa / fleece photo blanket. It's a little bit different than the woven throw blanket, but it can be put in front of the same people and likely sell, obviously. So number one, it says custom woven throw blanket. The best niche fit is the pet memorial. We're going to skip over that. We're going to do large canvas wrap / wedding guest book canvas. Best niche fit, custom wedding venue illustration. Why buyers pay more. For weddings, buyers are already spending. A custom venue canvas is not just decor. It can be used at the wedding, signed by guests, and hung in a couple's home. What I'm referring to exactly is a check-in sign that you sign rather than a guest book. And then you can frame that and save that forever. Sherpa / fleece photo blanket. That's for essentially anything that's a higher profit print on demand item. You can put that into any niche, but ChatGPT is stuck on pet memorial for this flow. Guys, if you don't have an email list, you're putting yourself at risk, which is why I've partnered with OmniSend. One of the biggest mistakes Etsy sellers make is building their entire business on Etsy and nowhere else. Etsy can bring you customers, but you don't control the platform, the algorithm, or how many of those customers you can actually reach later. If Etsy is the only way you can communicate with your audience, you are putting your entire business at risk. That is why you need to start building an email list. OmniSend makes this extremely easy. You can use their landing page builder to create a simple sign-up page where everybody can join your email list. This is the most important step to having financial freedom outside of Etsy. ChatGPT and Claude can be integrated with OmniSend via their MCP integration. So you can ask questions, plan, and do deep analytics to make big decisions. This will help you plan amazing campaigns, execute, and make more sales using this connection. If you already do have an email service, OmniSend will literally help you migrate over for 5 days for free. If you're unhappy with your current provider, this is definitely the way to go. It's giving us the final ranking once again. The wedding guest book canvas is number 2, but that's the one we want to go with. So I'm going to tell it right here in this prompt. Now create a profit research table for the higher ticket print on demand products we found. Now this flow can be adapted to absolutely anything. You can use a different niche research prompt like the main one in the prompt library, and then go into this prompt here, create a profit research table based on Printify and Printful's, standard pricing, etc. You don't need to include a ton of extra fancy stuff like this. You could literally just say what I just listed off. So now we have our profit research. Now this is really interesting because again, standard POD t-shirt around $25. If you want to get ultra competitive, it gets much lower than that. Product cost $977 on the conservative side, $475 shipping on the conservative side. Total cost $1452, Etsy fees $283. Profit before ads $767. Margin before ads 30%. Max ad spend $140. For profitable sale. Sales needed for 6K profit. ChatGPT put that in there because it remembered the last video we made together. 784 sales per month for 6K profit per month. Now, let's look at the Sherpa fleece photo blankets. $69 average price, $30 estimate, $12 shipping, $41.99 total cost for you. Etsy fees at $7, profit before ads $20. Now, you only need 300 sales per month for a 6K profit. Much more comfortable. Again, like I mentioned in the previous video, you only have X amount of hours in each day, and that X amount of effort based on your X amount of skill and X amount of intelligence, etc., is going to produce X amount of sales. Now, if those sales are going to produce, $765 profit per sale, or $20 profit per sale is completely up to you, depending on which print on demand print-on-demand products that you choose. So be careful with what you choose if you're a new POD seller or if you want to start a second store. Custom woven throw blanket, $89 estimated retail price. Product cost $42, $12 shipping, $53.99 for you. Etsy fees at $8.91. Profit before ads $26.10. So 230 sales needed for that. We put it into the calculator on Add to Cart SEO. Item price $69, your cost $30, shipping paid by seller, and we hit calculate my numbers based on your preset, that the country that you're in. Your numbers, you're profiting $20. We already knew that. We already covered that. But let's look at this. Profit and ROAS calculator. If you want to profit $10 per order after all your costs, then that requires a 6x ROAS, a 6.9 ROAS. So with Etsy ads involved, speaking of print on demand, profit research is equally as important as niche research. And a lot of people spend a lot of time on niche research. Let's say you're rolling with the Sherpa blankets and you've spent $100, simple amount, and you've made, let's say, $265, very simple amount. How many orders would you think you'd be profitable with? I'd say 7. I would imagine if that made you that many orders, then yes, you'd be profitable. You'd be actually profiting $5.72. When you go into the ads dashboard, you think you're a millionaire, but in reality, you're only profiting $5. Now, with 4 orders, $100 ad spend, $265 ad revenue, you are losing $5 per order. So you need to be extremely careful when you're researching print-on-demand niches and considering going into them. Even with these high-ticket print-on-demand products, you are very much at risk if you don't know your comfortable cost per conversion, which is why I made this tool, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a beautiful day.